Hi everyone. As rightly said by somebody, your network is your net worth. But networking is not a one-time activity. Rather, it is an ongoing activity. And often people ask me this question that how do I grow my professional network so that it helps me in career advancement? So, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will help you grow your professional network. Now, if you are somebody who is looking for a job change, who is looking for a career acceleration, or maybe a next job or a next position that you're targeting, then this video is for you. And if you are not looking for a job, even then this video is for you, because like I rightly said right at the start of the video, that networking is not a one-time activity. And this is one big mistake that people make, where they only start to network with people, where they only start to grow their professional network is when they are actually looking for a job change or looking for a new job. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Rachna Kakkad. I am a career and a resume specialist, and I help professionals just like you in career acceleration and job search. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, just go and hit the bell icon, because I post regularly interesting informations and videos, and you will receive a notification as soon as I post another new video. So if you do not want to miss on anything, don't miss to subscribe to the channel. So let us jump into and understand what are those 5 tips which will help you grow your professional network, and of course this is going to help you in your career development. The first and the most important tip is that deepening your existing relationships. Now, this is one big mistake that most people do. They always try to connect to newer people and add new people in their network. But one big thing that they miss is people who are already there in their network. So, reconnecting or staying connected with people who are already there in your network is a great idea, and I have often seen people getting some very good leads, getting some great opportunities from the existing set of network. So if you are not doing that, it's a great idea. Don't miss it. Stay connected and reconnect with the people who are already a part of your network. Because the true power of networking can only be leveraged when you stay connected and reconnect with your existing network, and it makes a lot of difference. Tip number 2 is giving before you expect something in return. Now this is, I would say, some golden tip that I have brought to you. Often people try and connect with people with some intentions. Now, I do not say that don't have a goal before you really want to connect, or don't have an intention. But the intention definitely is, either connecting with them or sending your resume or asking for a lead or a requirement within the organization. Follow this rule. Start giving to people before you expect anything in return from your network. And the best way of giving to people is start sharing a lot of value and adding to people's life or people who are already there in your network. So let's say, even though there might be some people in your network who are looking for job opportunities, and you come across which are not relevant to you, but there might be somebody in your network who may find it relevant. Start giving to them. Start sharing your own learnings so that they start gaining something from it. Start sharing valuable content, industry information, and any other thing which you think can in any way be a giveaway or add some kind of a value or help people. Start doing that, and you will see automatically when you start giving to your network, people will come forward and they in turn will start giving you. So before you expect anything from anybody else, just without any expectation, start adding value. Third tip is remain visible in your network. Now, visibility is really important. We all know LinkedIn is one of the biggest professional network, and you can remain visible by being consistent in postings and being active on LinkedIn. Apart from LinkedIn, there are many other ways as well which can actually increase your visibility in your network. So I have posted a video earlier about the various other platforms other than LinkedIn where you can start building your brand and increase that visibility quotient. So it's important to remain visible in your network, because it's rightly said, out of sight and out of mind. And I'm sure you always would want to remain on top of the mind of your network. So make sure you are visible. Tip number 4 to grow your network is be a good listener. Now you must be wondering how being a good listener can help me grow my network. Let me tell you how. People often want to be heard by other people. People often want to be listened by other people, and another thing that they want is appreciation in return. So when you patiently listen to people in your network and start appreciating them, you will see that slowly and gradually your network will automatically start growing, because it will be full of people who feel this, that yes, you are somebody who they can approach because you are a great listener. They could be heard being a part of your network. Tip number 5 is be a connector. So not just connect with people in your network, also help other people to connect with people in your network or with people in different other networks also. And this is a great way to multiply and grow the chain. You will slowly see that when you get other people connected with or introduce them in your network, they will also come back to you introducing many more people, and that's how a chain will develop, and this chain works wonders. And a lot of times in workplace we miss to connect with people or help others to get connected with people whom we know. So if you are already working somewhere, make sure you don't miss to connect with the people in your workplace. Connect with people in different departments, maybe different branches, or maybe in different areas, and help them connect to each other. And it is one great way to beautifully grow your network. So these are the 5 tips that will help you grow your network. Definitely there are many more, but if you liked these 5 tips, I want you to go ahead and leave your feedback in the comments. And also, if you want me to make a video on any other topic which is related to career acceleration, job search, and you want my help, don't miss to share that as well in the comments. I definitely look forward to reading your comments and coming back with another new video with a new topic soon. And in case you have missed, just a quick reminder, don't miss to subscribe to my channel. So see you until my next video. Bye bye, take care and have a great career ahead.